Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a GMC Terrain. First, make sure you have a set of jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Park the working vehicle close enough so the cables can reach both batteries, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both vehicles completely before proceeding. This ensures safety and prevents electrical surges. Now, let's get those cables connected properly. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your GMC Terrain's dead battery. Then, take the other red positive clamp and connect it to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. We're almost there, just one more connection to make. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your GMC Terrain, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are securely attached, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your GMC Terrain. Once your GMC Terrain starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order you connected them. First the negative from your Terrain, then the negative from the working vehicle, followed by the positive from the working vehicle, and finally the positive from your Terrain. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges fully. If you enjoy reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.